Here we go, guys. Bit of a treat for you. 15 years it's not been touched for. There we go. My mate's got a recommission. Get it on the road. What a lovely old thing. My dad used to have one of these, but the coupe version when I was young. They've already turned it over. It's not seized. Bundles of parts to change and get going. I just thought it might make a bit of interesting video for you. It's not rotten. I was expecting loads of holes and stuff. Lovely old thing. Can't really, we've got to push it and help him get it in the garage. Can't really get around that side, won't be able to show you much. Thought I'd give you a little look. Some of you guys might be interested in that. It's a lovely old thing. He's going to get that back on the road. Nothing to do with me. Bit of a heartfelt story behind it, to be honest. This one of his friends. His father's not very well, and all of the sons, all of the children have clubbed together and said, like, you know, can you get it on the road? One last drive. And when he told me about it, first of all, obviously we wanted to see the car because I thought the car's brilliant, but when he said about what's going on and the reason they're doing it, I thought it was amazing. So he's going to try and get that going. I'll try and get you some footage of it. And I don't know what's happening with it. I don't know how far they're going with it, but they're trying to get the one last drive for the father, and I thought it was brilliant. So I thought I'd just quickly show you and let me know what you think in the comments. And I think it's a brilliant thing that he's doing. He did ask about bodywork and stuff. I don't know what's going on with that, who's doing it or anything like that, but obviously we'll help him clean it up and get it recommissioned. But yeah, brilliant. Right, guys, no microphone, no nothing, bit of raw footage. It's been off the road for 18 years, and you know what, we just had a look around it. The seals are good. It's had a repair on the inner seal up here, and it's only the repair section that's rotted out. The rest of the seals are in pretty good order. And the same again over here. It's had a repair in the past. Plate there, and the plate's rotted out. The rest of it's good. Unbelievable for how long it's been off the road. It's all stuck. This whole exhaust was new. It's obviously rusting up. You can see here that it was new. It's rusting up. And the tailpipe section stayed alive. Oil on now. All the back valance, it's all in pretty good order. The arches, we was quite shocked. It's had loads of bodywork, as you can imagine, over the years, but the actual arches underneath are pretty solid. We've had a good old pull on them, and the same on this side. We was quite shocked. It's all sort of blowing out here. It's got filler and all sorts under here, so it's probably going to need a good repair there. Them arches are actually all good, so quite shocked. All the suspension, brakes, everything's pretty good. Gobsmacked. I'll tell you what I am going to try and do. There's normally like a date stamp on the tyres, isn't there? I don't know. I mean, they're perished and cracked. This is all binding. The left side is binding for some reason. The right side of the car is fine. Let me see if we can find. I don't know if they have date stamps this old. I don't know how old this tyre is. No, I can't find it. Would have been good to know. how old that tyre was. But unbelievable. The wing's been welded up down here. In general, it's shocked me. We're all over the moon for him, because if that means that you can get it back on the road, it would be brilliant. I mean, it's MOT exempt and tax exempt, but still want a real MOT on it for them. So my mate is going to do all the work, get it up on the road, you know, get it back on the road, get it running, get the engine in good order. He's having loads of spares dropped off for it. The bodywork looks like it's been painted loads of times. I think the car was originally brown, but for how old it is, it's actually brilliant. And especially with the actual story of what's happening, I thought it was excellent. I'm going to help him as and when I can. He's going to do all, obviously, the mechanical stuff. I mean, even if it's just cleaned up, washed, valeted, polished, anything to just sort of make it better than it is, I think it's going to make that old boy's day. The last MOT advisory on this brake pipe back in 2002, I believe, they changed it. Unbelievable. Loads of parts missing, engine wires and stuff. So he's bringing all the parts down so he can get it going, and whatever else it needs he'll do. Unbelievable. I just thought that you guys might like this. I thought I'd show you. It's unreal. It's held up well, I'll give it that. All them years sitting around doing nothing. Obviously, we got that wrong. So, last time it was taxed was 02, 18 years. We figured that out. And that brake pipe I mentioned underneath, we've got a failure sheet here. And the date for the failure sheet was 1998. So we're not sure if it was last on the road. Well, it must have been on the road for the tax to expire in 2002. So we're going to say 18 years. 18 years it's been parked up for, or however long. There's a lot of work ahead. I don't know whether any of you guys be interested in seeing any progress on this. If you are, obviously leave me a comment, let me know. I'm gonna try and get as many updates on it as I can, find out what's going on. I just thought that some of you guys might be really interested in seeing this. Let me know, and we'll go from there. I thought I'd give you a quick look on the inside. How original it is. It's unreal. Looks like this one's escaped the banger boys. Always used to banger race these ones. Yeah, brilliant. Unbelievable. Automatic. It's even got the beeper for the Moss alarm. I remember them when I was a kid. How many miles is that showing? 16. God knows how many miles he's actually done. Can't believe the roof lining's still hanging up. It's crazy. There we go. My kids don't even know what tapes are. Brilliant. And when he tried powering the battery up, old tunes started blaring. It was brilliant, absolute brilliant. I can't play the music on here because of the copyright. But look at the condition of these seats. It's unbelievable. The old Ghia model. Oh, I can't open that door. Oh yeah, I can. She's stiff. My mate was saying that they think old Roland has been in a boot, or a mouse maybe. They're not sure. still full up with all the bits. It's, you know, saying this old, you'd expect to be blowing holes out of the rear quarters and stuff. It's a big old boot for an old girl and all. You'd be expecting this to be rotten. Unreal. Yeah, guys. Not your normal thing at all. I've got no mic on, no nothing. This is a bit off the fly, this one. So yeah, like I said in the other bits, it's all going to just be pieced together. I just thought you guys might want to see this, and unbelievable sort of story. Really nice thing they're all doing, all the family pulling together to try and get one last drive. I thought it was brilliant, and I said to him, I said, listen, I said, I'll help you clean it up. You know, whether we've got to polish it, buff it up a bit, just try and get it nice for them once they've got it on the road. So yeah, like I said, leave us a comment, tell me what you think, and I'll see if I can get you some more videos on this and some more updates as we go along. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.